Hello, friends. Have you heard the news that came out today? Systemeio is now dropping the price for their startup paid plan. Now, this is pretty unheard of for companies to just go ahead and be like, you know what? Let's just make it cheaper for people, especially when there's already so much value in their plans. For them to drop the price from $27 to now $17 per month, as you see here, is pretty crazy. So here's the deal. If you already have a startup paid plan with System, you actually are going to have to cancel that plan and re-sign up for it. And I'll put the link below this video so that you have the link to re-sign up for that particular plan once you're logged in. And that will give you access to that $17 per month rate going forward. There is no way for them to transfer subscriptions from 27 to 17 because of the way payment processors work. That's not a System thing, that's a payment processor thing. So you're gonna have to cancel and then go back through that upgrade process in order to access their new $17 per month plan. If you are not yet on a paid plan and you are still on their freemium plan, now there is literally no excuse for you to not upgrade to this paid startup plan. I honestly can't believe it. Like $17 per month for everything that you're getting is totally insane. It's totally insane. There is no other software out there that gives you unlimited emails for up to 5,000 contacts for $17 per month. That's not even talking about the automations that you get access to when you upgrade. These email campaigns, these automated email campaigns, super valuable. These automation rules are what allow you to actually create a business that contributes to your overall life and well-being instead of becoming your life. My entire business runs on automations, and I cannot imagine not having access to those. So if you've been stuck with one automation rule, upgrade. The 10 automation rules right there and these 5 workflows, that by itself is absolutely worth the $17 per month, not even counting the stuff up here, okay? And then when you scroll down, obviously more sales funnel steps, more A/B tests. You've got access to more custom domains if you wanted to have multiple domains as part of your business. One-click upsells and order bumps become more possible for you. So if you have more than one sales funnel, you should really be on the paid plan because then you can offer upsells and downsells for each of your sales funnels, and that's not possible on the free plan. So I'm telling you right now, it is so worth upgrading. If you've been hesitating at all on upgrading your System plan, now is the time to do it. Go ahead and just click the link below this video. Upgrade to their new $17 per month startup plan. It is bonkers how much value you're getting for literally less than a coffee a week. That's crazy. It's crazy. So go ahead, click the link below, and whether you're already on a paid plan and you need to re-sign up for their new $17 per month plan, or you're on the free plan and you're finally ready to upgrade, that link will get you all sorted out and you'll be able to have access to all of these amazing, cool automation features that really allow us to take our business to the next level for literally just $17 a month now. This is wild. If you have any questions about what that startup plan is or whether it's worth it to upgrade, drop them below this video and I'm happy to chat about it. But I think honestly, this is just such a no-brainer right now. I'm still processing that they did this. So go ahead, click the link and let me know if you have any questions, and welcome to the System Startup Plan. I'll talk to you later.